We all know water is good for us and that we should probably drink more of it. So why, then, do people find it so difficult to sip from what is arguably the fountain of youth? We will talk about why you should drink water and its benefits you haven't heard before, but before that please hit the like and subscribe button so you never miss an update. Answers vary, but the fact is, 1 in 10 people drinks 0 cups of water per day, according to a study by Dr. Alison Goodman, a medical epidemiologist for the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention. She suspects that those who don't drink any water, or very little, are getting it from other sources such as food and coffee, but warns this may not be enough. Many health risks decrease when you drink plain water, says Goodman. Which is why, she says, the results are mind-boggling. Robert Eakle, CEO of Alkane Water, agrees. Without water, no living thing can survive, he says. It affects every area of our life and is an essential part to maintaining proper health. However, not all waters are created equal. Enhanced waters, like Alkane Water, provide the body with more health benefits than regular water. Just take a look at how it can help. Number 1. It balances body fluids. Your body is composed of about 60% water and performs vital functions such as protecting your organs and tissues, regulating your body temperature and carrying nutrients and oxygen to your cells. Essentially, it keeps your body running like a well-oiled machine. Number 2. It keeps skin looking healthy. Water moisturizes your skin and functions as a protective barrier to prevent excess fluid loss. Think free anti-aging cream. In addition, it can keep your skin fresh and smooth. Number 3. It boosts the immune system. Those who guzzle water are at a lower risk of getting sick. This crystal clear concoction helps fight against flu, cancer, and other ailments, especially if your water has mild alkaline properties, such as those found in Alkane Water. Including ionized water in your daily intake can give your immune system a boost through added antioxidants, improve aerobic capacity, enhance energy levels, and through a patented technology that alters the molecular structure of water, hydrate your body more fully. Number 4. It can help control calories. While drinking water may not be a weight loss strategy, per se, substituting it for higher calorie or sugar-filled beverages can help by removing byproducts of fat, filling you up so you're not noshing, acts as a natural appetite suppressant and raises your metabolism. For more information about Alkane Water and its health benefits, visit www.alkemywater.com. That is all for now. If you find this video helpful, please hit that like and subscribe button, and press the bell icon, so you never miss an update again.